Okay, so I had warning light come up, which is the preheater light, orange light come up. It's been coming up for the past year, on and off. It comes up when it's warmed up after you've driven for a while. And in the manual, I've got the manual here, it's a preheating fuel filter and engine electrics light. It says that you've got to drain presence of water in the fuel filter or electronics failure. So I've drained the fuel filter, which is here. So I've drained that. That didn't work. After searching for ages online, I'd say it's been going on for probably over a year actually. What I ended up doing, I changed this, which is the turbo boost pressure solenoid. Mine's just did come off at one point. That didn't work. This was making a buzzing sound, so I thought it was that. That was about 25 quid. That didn't work. What I ended up doing is changing this part here, which is the manifold air pressure sensor. You can see there. I just got one of those, and that was about £29 online. So I changed that, and that did the job. As I say, I think it would have failed its MOT. I managed to get through the last one, the MOT, because it only comes on when it's warmer. Maybe they missed it, maybe it doesn't fail, but it kept on coming on. So in the end, it was a really simple job. So there you go. Hope that helps someone. Let's say for Vivaro, Trafic or Nissan. Cheers.